Today we will see a beautiful poem, What's in the Mailbox. This poem is given in Class 3 English book Marigold. In this video we will see word by word reading of the poem along with its explanation, word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. What's in the mailbox? Friends, have you ever seen a mailbox? You can find a red colored mailbox near post offices. Generally, we have post office in nearby market. We can post our letters in the mailbox. Postman takes the letter from the mailbox and deliver to us at our home. Let's read the poem and understand its meaning. Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. So most of the time when the postman visits this girl's house, he often brings 2 or 3 letters for her mother and father regularly. But he never gives any letter to her. This makes her sad as she expects a letter for herself too. I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do, and then my friends will answer me and get letters too. Now that girl has made up her mind to write some letters to her friends, and she hopes that she will receive letters from them in near future. She intends to express her thoughts and emotions by communicating it through a letter and expects a sweet reply in return from the recipient. Now, let's see the word meanings one by one. First word is letter, meaning a printed communication. In Hindi, we call letter a chitti. Sentence, I get letters from my relatives monthly. Next word is always, meaning at all times. In Hindi, its meaning is hamesha. Sentence, I always do my homework on time. Next word is never, meaning at no time. In Hindi, its meaning is kabhi nahi. Sentence, I never lie to my parents. Next word is though, meaning but. In Hindi, its meaning is lekin. Sentence, I passed in exam though not scored much. Now let's know something about Indian Post. India has the most widely distributed postal system in the world with a collection of around 1.5 lakh post offices. India Post, operated by the central government in India, was founded way back in 1854 by Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India at that time. The first postal stamp released by the India Post after independence contained the picture of the Indian tricolor flag. Mahatma Gandhi was the first personality to appear on a stamp post-independence. I hope all of you have enjoyed the poem. If you find this video helpful, then please